Welcome back to the Compressor Guru. Today we had the opportunity to go to Quehanna Millworks and service a compressor. And in speaking with Mr. Plubel, the owner, he has had some great results dealing with people from YouTube, and I told him we'd put a plug in, and that's what this video is. Here are some examples of the hardwood millwork he has available. Wainscoting and different moldings for doorways, windows, crown moldings, and it's beautiful stuff. The camera work does not do it justice. Here's a little display piece of some log siding on the outside, and then when we move to the inside, pine paneling for the inside and pine flooring. It's very nice stuff. And he's located in Frenchville, Pennsylvania, on 879 between Clearfield and Frenchville. And the products are beautiful. Great guy to deal with. Very reasonably priced. That's what you get when you deal in small towns with nice guys. And by the way, you'll notice the camera work. The camera wife was not with me today. And the camera work in the previous video was done by the brother-in-law. And so that's what you get when you don't bring the camera wife. Here's the address and phone number for Quehanna Millworks. Check them out. Their website is in the description. I'll put their address in the description also. Thank you. God bless. Have a great day. And there's another video being posted right now of our work. Have a great day. Bye.